What did you say? You talking to me? Me? Oh, me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan's Night and I am back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be doing, as you guys see from the title, I will be doing some clippings. This is my first time doing clippings. I've never done clippings, so today I'm going to be doing that. So I will leave the link down in the description box where you can go and get this here. So this is the 16-inch. These are the 16 inches. So I got, so this is one, so these have 4 clips, so 4 clips. So this is 3 clips, 2, 3, so I get 3 clips, two clips, and one clip. Oh, 2 1 clips. So these are there. If you are planning on doing your hair, I don't think, if you want your hair to look full, I don't think that one pack or one set will do your hair. So hence the reason I got a 18-inch, because I know that this one set wouldn't do my hair, and my hair is not long, so I can say I'm just adding body to the hair. So I got a second set. So what I'll be doing, I'll be putting the 18-inch at the back, and then I will put the 16-inch up at the top. All right, I'm going to be showing you guys. So my hair is freshly washed and I need a center part, so I do the center part, and I don't have much hair side, so this is a way of giving your hair a break from the wigs, like myself here. Give your hair a break from the wigs, so you just do your clippings and them quickly, them look natural. So I'm going to be turning my back to show you guys how I am going to do it. That's enough. Other 2 pieces, so I'm going to be attaching. So when you're parting, you don't have to get all neat parting. Like for me right now, I'm not getting any neat parting, but so I'm going to be using this. So I'm putting the 3. We put in the next 3 piece, 3 comb. So right here that leave empty, I'm going to be putting these 2, this is single ones, so I'm going to be putting this right here because it's empty, so I'm going to put it here. So now it's much more, see what it's looking like. So now I have this 4 comb, and so I have 2 pieces of this one. Well, it's not really 4 comb, it's 3 comb, but it's longer than the first 3 comb that I put in. So now I'm going to put in the other one that has the 3, the last piece of 18 inch. This is what it's looking like. So over here, so leave out. So this is the 18 inch. All of the 18 inch. Here. Still at the top. Remember, I need a center part. So I have to be doing all of this. This is what it's looking like so far. And the hair is so soft, like really soft. So now I have the 2 pieces that I said going to go right here. So one's gonna go by this side and one go by the other side, and then I'm finished. So guys, this is what it's looking like. 18, 20, it is full. Like this reminds me of sewing, like when you're going to get a nice little sewing and things. So I'm gonna just ensure some neat up them place right here, so the part, and use the flat iron and kind of flat it out and come back to you guys with the final look. And it looks so natural. Like if you don't know me, say my hair picky and short, you that thing say this is marine hair. It's like so nice. It's Brazilian. The hair can be colored, the hair can be bleached, the hair can take heat and all of that. So I'm going to left the link down in the description box and make you guys go and get it, because you have to need this. Look at this. Look at this. Why wouldn't you want this? Why wouldn't you want this here? Why wouldn't you want this here? Why wouldn't you want this here? So guys, this is what it's looking like. So this is what the hair is looking like now. Straighten. And it's right here on my breast. But this is it. Clip it well. clip in where, like, my hair blends perfectly with it. So you guys definitely go and check out the link down in my description and purchase this hair. You won't regret it. It is soft. It's very soft. And I just do one swipe over. I did not have to put my iron. I put my iron on 350, I think. And that's it. So I thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any question as relates to this hair, you can definitely reach out to me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And until my next video, guys. Bye.